Yes, CET November 2025 results to be declared today at 2 p.m. How to check and download scorecard. Education still top priority, says Meghalaya CM Conrad Sangma. How to balance board exam and JEE main preparation. IGNOU marks 40th Foundation Day, unveils major digital and academic initiatives. UK Supreme Court said that NI religious education breaches human rights. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top education news are: ICSI will declare the CSEET November 2025 result today at 2 p.m. on its official website icsi.edu. Candidates can download their e-result cum mark statement using their roll number and date of birth. The exam was conducted on November 8 and 10 through remote proctored mode, allowing candidates to appear from home. The scorecard will be including a subject-wise marks breakup and no physical copies will be issued. To pass, candidates must score 40% in each paper and 50 aggregate. The result will be mandatory for registration into the CS Executive Program except for exempted categories. Steps to check are: visit the website, open the CSEET result link, enter roll and registration number, view and download the scorecard. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reaffirmed that education remains a top government priority while admitting that the sector faces major structural changes. Speaking at the inauguration of Ramakrishna Mission College in Sohra, he said that the reforms such as rationalizing school are underway to gradually improve the system. Sangma stressed that a child-centric approach, urging teachers and school committees to make decisions that are truly benefiting students. He praised the Ramakrishna Mission for promoting holistic education and strong views, calling investment in human capital is the greatest investment. He also promised to address infrastructure issues in mission-run schools, including roads, electricity and water, assured continued government support for quality education across Meghalaya. Balancing board exam preparation with JEE main is completely achievable because both syllabi overlap by nearly 99%. Physics, chemistry and mathematics concepts are identical. Only the application level differs. JEE main test multi-concept object problems while board focus on stepwise subjective answers. Strong fundamentals, regular problem solving and through NCERT study help in both exams simultaneously. The only major difference is answer writing practice for boards, which can be easily strengthened with a few subjective mock tests after the January JEE attempt. Students should also revise lighter subjects like English and computer science throughout the year instead of cramming. Consistent conceptual learning in CRT focuses on periodic revision and mock test, ensuring excellent performance in both JEE main and board exams. No trade-off needed. IGNOU celebrated its 40th Foundation Day at the Babasaheb Ambedkar Convention Center in New Delhi, highlighting its mission to expand higher education through the open and distance learning system. Vice Chancellor Professor Uma Kanjilal emphasized alignment with the new NEP via modular flexible programs, the growth of micro-credential courses, ministry collaboration, global partnership, ICT teacher training under the China Schengen program, and project like IIT Udan Translation and the CII Career Edge initiative. A major announcement was IGNOU's new MOU with Cisco, enabling globally recognized certifications in AI, cybersecurity, networking and emerging global technologies to boost digital workforce readiness. The event also saw the launch of a special postal cover, a short film on IGNOU's 40-year journey, the BISAC and virtual education system, new micro-credentials, collaboration with GIZ on unpacking data and unpacking AI, the Cisco NetaCAD Center of Excellence and the publication IGNOU at 40. Awards were presented to top performing units and regional centers. The UK Supreme Court has ruled the Northern Ireland's Bible-based Christian religious education in state-funded school violates human rights because it is not taught in an objective, critical and pluralistic way. The landmark case was brought by parents of a Belfast primary school student who argued that the curriculum conflicted with their humanist beliefs and risked introduction of the court found both that the child's and parents' rights under the ECHR were breached, overturning a previous appeal decision. Northern Ireland's school system is still shaped by its Sectarian past, largely separates pupils into Protestant-linked and Catholic-run institutions. The family's lawyer hailed the ruling as a major step for educational freedom, while DUP maintained its support for the Christian ethos in schools.